Okay, very good morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Monday, the 30th of October. I think we were all surprised how much we got out of yesterday, about 26 launches, I think it was in the end. Showers cleared up and we got pretty much the whole afternoon out of it. Looking at the chart today, this is the overnight chart. A couple of low pressures centered up to the northeast and out to the west. Lots of occlusions and trough lines painted on here. And that's probably why we had so many showers last night. In fact, this trough line here, we did have a line of showers exactly there, bringing quite a lot of rain late last night. Midday today, it's showing this sort of moved all the way a little bit. There's occlusion up to our north, but nothing actually over the Lasham area. Going ahead, midday tomorrow, it's showing this trough line very close to us, but in general, very similar showery outlook by the looks of it. And further into the week, you see there's isobars getting very, very close together. Wednesday and Thursday currently quite doubtful, just due to the strength of the wind and the possibility of very heavy showers and thunderstorms. Thursday. Isobars extraordinarily close together and a low pressure system sat directly over the top of us. So make the most out of the next few days. Showing 15 knots flying height today, 220 degrees. And looking at the sat pic, you can see some showers around, but generally a clear outlook in the Lasham area. And rain radar showing, showers out to our east and otherwise just scattered showers around. Now the forecast is just pretty much scattered showers all day. As we go throughout, you see them developing. And as with any day like this, it's very difficult to predict exactly where the showers are going to end up. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. But we should be out on the airfield flying for the majority of the day by the looks of it. There's no large areas of rain like there is here coming over towards Lasham. So looks like we should be okay. We'll probably get wet a couple of times and have to stop for short periods of time. Public forecast is showing scattered showers this morning and this afternoon. Top temperature of 12 degrees with a moderate breeze from the southwest. Showing excellent visibility and good throughout the day. Top temperature 13, maybe 14 degrees today in our area if we're lucky. And dew point sat at 9, so a little bit further apart than they were yesterday. And that's the current view outside. Quite nice over Lasham at the moment. But you can see those showers on the horizon, so we'll be keeping an eye out. Currently 10 degrees with dew points at 8.5. Okay, Farnborough, as you'd imagine, quite a long taff, but currently a few clouds at 2,500. And they've got a prop 30 here for this morning, rain showers. And for this afternoon, they've put rain showers with a prop 30 between 12 and 4 for QNIMs and heavy rain showers. So we'll keep an eye out. Top meteo, much the same. As we go throughout the day, you see these showers around and there's a couple of QNIMs and it is showing thunderstorms up to the north, but I think it's a little bit pessimistic. Clearing up later into the afternoon, according to that forecast. I don't think it's suggesting any soaring today. No, none at all. And there's no NOTAMs in the Lasham area today. There is some temporary airspace up near Bryce, so if you're power flying that way, have a look at that. Okay, operationally, we're going to go for the same setup as we had yesterday. So we're going to have the launch point on runway 23, and we're going to be launching on 23 with the cables running down the edge of the runway, like that. We'll be keeping gliders on the tarmac when we're launching. When we are landing, we're going to do left-hand circuits onto runway 27, and that's going to allow people to land on the tarmac and keep the gliders pretty much on the tarmac all day. The only time they'll need to go on the grass is maybe just towing back to the launch point for a couple of meters, and initially when you get them out. So I suggest when we tow gliders out, we tow them perpendicular to the runway, take them straight to the runway and then along. I hope that makes sense. Try and minimize how wet they get because I think the airfield is probably very, very wet. It was yesterday. Certainly down to the south, it's basically a river. So we'll be trying to keep clear of that. Okay, we've got a 737 arriving at 11:40 and a 727 departing at 2 p.m. Sunset today, 16:42, so last landing 5:10. Okay, see you on the airfield. Bye for now.